How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching another video today. You remember from the last episode we were having issues installing the Evo 8 engine into the DSM. This is because we're having clutch and transmission issues and mating it. So hopefully by the end of this video we have it inside the car and hopefully, you know, make a lot of progress. As of right now, I'm actually working on the Evo. I have the whole back seat taken apart because I'm checking out the fuel pump setup. And this is because I'm actually going to be converting the Evo to E85 real soon, like sooner than expected. So expect a lot of cool videos for this car. As of right now, I'm actually just waiting for Lazy and Carlos, so we'd actually start working on this. I want to show you guys this Evo. Forward facing kills, but I want to run on my Evo. Everything's like modified.
Hello people, it's another lazy video. And I'm just kidding, I just arrived. I got a sore throat.
Yeah,
these guys are working on doing a fuel pump to the wrong car. Never finished the DSM. Hey, is that the ice cream truck?
Sorry. CJ finally lowered his car. What up, dude? Looks like Lazy's back in the day, dude. Yep. You go lower.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Why?
Because I already scrape on everything. You're gonna steal you. Alright, so actually Miguel's gonna be testing the Evo axle on the DSM knuckle. So see if we don't need the JDM knuckle, because if we don't, it's money saved. And it'll be easier to figure it all out and put it all together right now while this is still apart.
These are the JDM Galant knuckles, but they're missing the hubs, so we're gonna have to get some hubs first before we can install the axles. Alright, so the issue with this was this, right? Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to run a monologue because it keeps popping off. Hey Lazy, what are you doing? Hey Lazy, you got life insurance on there, bro?
La Virgen,
La Virgen. Alright guys, so we're missing the ACT monologue for the transmission and clutch so that it could work. So I'm actually on my way to Aaron right now at Massimo Power to pick one up. And then once we have it, I'll get back to you with this video. Alright guys, so it's a couple days later. I finally ended up getting the ACT monologue, which is a lot sturdier and better, and it should fix our issue with the transmission. That same day I actually went out to AutoZone and I test fitted 4 different hubs actually. So this is an Evo 8 or 9 axle, and this is a JDM Galant. It's very similar to the DSM knuckle. They share the same hub. I test fitted the Evo hub and it fit the axle, but it didn't fit the knuckle. I test fitted a Galant hub and it didn't fit either. I test fitted an Eclipse Gsx hub. It only fit the knuckle, and I test fitted a 3G Eclipse and it didn't fit either. So what I'm thinking that's gonna have to happen is we're gonna have to run the inner cup from the Evo and probably like a GSX axle on that side. So we're gonna have to make some type of custom, you know, I don't know, but it's gonna have to be custom because I pretty much went through all my options and they're not working.
Monologue.
Damn, don't fuck it up though. There you go.
Woo. There you go. That looks pretty sturdy.
It matches the clutch too.
Oh.
Alright, so we just slap the transmission on there or what?
Oh, we gotta put the throttle bearings together again.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put this back together and then I'm actually gonna put you guys on the time lapse and then we'll see what happens. So we slapped the transmission on and now the fork finally sits straight. So obviously the issue is fixed. Now what are we gonna do?
Put the engine in.
Engine inside? Yeah. Oh, we gotta put the starter on real quick and then we'll start putting the engine in. Yeah. Starter's on. Actually, before I put the engine in, I want to give a huge shout out to Tyoe. He actually sent me this Evo 4-9 transmission mount that we actually didn't have, and he just sent it to me. So I'll put his IG right here in the corner. Give him a follow. Huge thanks, dude. So we're about to put this engine in. We're actually covering the car with some blankets. I really don't have any, so we're gonna use a cardboard Kevin sweater. We're gonna take it off and then prop it on right there real quick. All right, so we finally got the engine in. It's a bit of a pain in the ass because obviously this engine's not meant to be here. But once you modify the mount, especially on the transmission side, then you should be able to fit it. You're still not able to fit the rear mount, so we're actually gonna make some custom stuff later. I'm probably gonna have to end up dropping the subframe once we get the measurements in. All right, Lazy ended up getting the slave on there. Now we're gonna move towards. Okay. Damn, the muscles though.
Holy shit.
Damn, little ass boy, but he got it.
Dude, that's a nerd.
So we're currently testing the downpipe, but we won't be able to run it as of right now because if we do remove the front subframe, it's going to be in the way. So we're stopping ourselves from putting that on, and also the tail end of the transfer case, so that way we don't have to remove them later. So right now I'm just cleaning up this J-pipe. I'm going to put some gasket maker on it, and then I'm going to put it on, and then we'll probably work towards the other bolt sounds like the fuel pressure regulator, the intercooler piping, and stuff like that. And then Alex is over here slapping on the fuel injector clinic injectors. Alright.
What?
This is the music we fix cars to. Alright, so Carlos is currently figuring out the slave cylinder situation. Lazy's installing the fuel line down there for the fuel rail, for the fuel pressure regulator, sorry. And then after that, I don't know what else we could do for now, but. Alright guys, so we got pretty far. We pretty much got the engine in. We got the turbo, the manifold, we connected everything. Transmission's on, we fixed the clutch issue. So obviously these don't fit, this is extended all the way, so I might have to do something custom here as well. The fuel pressure line, we're actually gonna have to get a new one with an adapter, so I'll do that for the next video. And then we're also, for the next video, gonna focus on putting on the radiator, the headlights, the front mount, and all the intercooler piping. As of right now, we're actually gonna head over to like a meet, like 30 minutes away. We'd take you along, but we're tired, so we just want to go out there, eat some pizza, and have some fun. So, stay tuned for the next video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Listen.